Good morning, good evening, guys. We're at Shelby Cars and Coffee, man. We got a whole bunch of Mustangs lined up right here. Mustang, 350Z, Mustang over there. My truck. Look at the beautiful truck. Look at it. It's so pretty. It's so pretty over there. But yeah, Mustang. But got a surprise for you guys. But you gotta watch the video to find out. Let's get to it. Peace. We got the white Mustang right here, followed by the, look at that, the wagon Audi with the gold rims. Look at that. Bronze. Sorry, bronze. Don't kill me. This right here. Carbon fiber mirror caps, dude. Unbelievable.
Get some shots on the inside if you want to.
Definitely. Oh, I can? Well, you know, if I ain't gonna say no.
That's why I'm just letting you know.
All right. Yep. It's very beautiful. Carbon fiber up and down. Exhaust pipes looking good. That's it. Dude, this thing looks like a complete spaceship. Got the screen right there, screen down below. Nice seats right here.
I'll let you know when the owner's coming, so we don't
Unbelievable. All right, cool. Yeah, so the owners, well, they let me look at it, dude. Look at the sunroof up there. Golly. Thank you, man. Appreciate it. Audi RS6. Oh, bye-bye, buddy.
On the dealership.
Yeah, pretty much.
Go figure.
Dude,
Well,
they
in my
got
opinion,
the punch buggy here. Punch buggy, no punch back, bro. Beautiful. Next to this old school right here. Oh yeah, they're bringing out the cars. We got this beautiful C7 Corvette right here. Stormtrooper status right here. Beautiful. Even with the fins, dude, the doors. You guys know I drove one of these before, man. These things are slept on. Like right here, this thing is fast. This thing made me want the vet so bad. But it's beautiful. No, Stuart Little, you have a branch in your car, Stuart Little?
Oh shit.
No, Stuart Little, no! Not the white walls. Please don't do it. Stuart Little, back up. Go reverse. Go reverse. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Thank God she's parking. It's the Hudson Hornet, guys. Let's go from the Cars movie. Life is a highway. I wanna ride it all night long. Don't kill my vibe over here, Dylan. It's a beautiful car, man. You gotta respect the old schools. Respect the old schools. Look at it, man. What that say? Ford. What's that say? V8. That's right. America, baby. Right here. Whoo, boy, if I had this back then, boy, I'd be getting all the girls. We got the Lamborghini paddy wagon. Set 5 blue. Lamborghini. Dude, let's Z06, bro. Golly. Wheels. That is sick. That is sick. I like that. But dude, look at this, man. This is insane. Crazy. Red seats, dude. All red seats. Beautiful, dude. All the buttons are towards the driver. Golly, man. C6s are so cool. Or C8s are so cool. Sorry, C8. Like, look at the profile of it. Look how aggressive. I like it. I love this color too, man. You guys know. Look at the inside. You see the radiator in there? The radiator's right there. Z06, guys. Beautiful spec of a car. Should we add this to the collection? Should we get one? I don't know. All right, guys, I'm gonna go inside Lily Beans, get me a coffee. When you talking about lower than my standards, this car is low. Talking about LS, good gosh, color matched. Yep, boot is tucked. If you guys don't want to see, look how low it is. We're at ground level.
Shit's clean as fuck.
That's what I'm saying, dude.
Hey, look at your face.
I know, right? Hey, Gen 2. But this right here is beautiful, man. This interior, air controls are right there, dude. This is sick. What you think? What you think, D? Got the RTR, blue with the bronze wheels, blue calibers. Follow the man, Instagram. All Instagrams online. Carbon fiber interior, carbon fiber steering wheel, blue seats. I'm telling you, man. This thing is sick on the inside, boy. But let's see the engine. You gotta see what's on the top. The Merlin Monroe on the top, dude. That's crazy. That's how beautiful this car is, dude.
They can't sit.
I can't let them sit.
Golly, love it. Supercharged.
Yeah.
Good gosh. Intake. Check this out. We got the old school, the new, the brand new, brand spanking new, sort of new, and then the old school, baby. New Edge. We got the second fastest electric car to Lucid. Electric car. Yeah, this got off-road for sure. And it has the Cyclops light all in the front. Big Cyclops light. But no, enough of this. That thing is awesome. That is what we need. We need this. We want this. We don't want this. We want that. No Tesla. Get the sports car. No Tesla. Sports car. Oh, am I filming? I am filming. All right, I promise you guys one more thing, okay? Look what's behind me, man. Got Ferrari 812 right here, chilling, yellow calibers. Do you see the spec on this, man? Look at the spec. Like, look at the spec. Look at the caliber, man. Look at the caliber, bigger than my hand. Pizza slices. Man, this thing is nastier than my ex-girlfriend on a Saturday night. Look at this. Look at it, man. Prancing horse, man. This ain't no Mustang. This ain't no Bronco. It's a stallion, Ferrari. Beautiful. Dude, look at that. The black with the yellow stitch interior. Black on yellow. Doorknob. Vents in the back. Insane. Beautiful car, beautiful spec. God bless the owner. I bet you this exhaust right here is nasty. I'ma try to get it when he leaves. I'ma try. Don't hold me to it, but I'ma try. Oh yeah, baby. That's us Camaro. Ooh, that thing sounds good. That's not check.
That's not bad. I seen the bumper start to weak.
This, we want this. We need this. This is us. Chrome, Grand Sport, you will. We don't need this. We don't want this. We need that. We don't want this. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Woo! Hudson. The Hudson right there. Hudson Horn.